Creating a lesson in See.Touch.Learn is very simple. Simply press the pencil icon on the left side of the screen and you'll be brought to the Create a Lesson screen. We're going to call this one Colors. We can pick a skill level, basic, intermediate, or advanced. We can choose the subject and we can choose the type. We can also add a description, and we're going to call this colors red and green. And then you click on the Create Lessons, which brings you to this screen. Now there's two options. You can create the lesson the exercises individually, or you can use the exercise generator. First, we're going to create the exercises individually. So I'm going to hit that plus sign up top to add one exercise, two exercises. And then on the bottom right, I am going to go into my library and choose the images that I want to place on those exercises. So I press that bookshelf icon, which brings me to a familiar looking library screen. And let's just grab this red cup. I'm just going to tap on it, and then I'm going to drag it and drop it over there. And look through what else we have here, see if there's anything else that I want. There's another red cup. I'm going to go down to this other library, and I'm going to drag the apple over there, and then I'm going to add the lime. Now I'm going to go to the second exercise and add some more items. And we can add anywhere from 1 to 6 images to each screen, to each exercise. Okay, so now we've created the exercise. Let's tap on exercise 1. Across the top, we have some options for a prompt. You can start it with touch, press, select, or point to the, or you can create a custom one. So we're going to use touch the, and I'm going to say the green item. So now we've got a text prompt. If I want to record my own voice, I just press that microphone icon in the top right, and this little panel drops down where I can record my voice. Otherwise, I can let the system speak whatever the prompt is that I type there. Now the next step is we just need to indicate to the system which is the correct answer. So since we said touch the green item, when I touch that lime, you'll see a little green check mark that appears there, and that means that that's going to be the correct answer. Moving on to exercise 2. This one has 3 images. I can move them around any way I want just by dragging them. And we're going to change this one, and we're going to use a custom prompt that says, which are red? And in this case, there's 2 items that are red, so we're going to tap on the letter A and the red pepper to indicate that those are both correct answers. Now up top right, you'll see the preview button. If you press the preview button, you can actually see the lesson in action. Pressing the speaker,
touch the green item.
You hear the prompt read to you, and obviously there's your correct answer. On the second one, which are red, when you select the first item, it doesn't finish the exercise for you, but it lets you know that there's still more to go. And when you select the second item, it lets you know that you're finished. So now I'm going to press exit lesson up top right, and we're going to go back in and I'm going to show you how to use the exercise generator. So we can start from scratch with an exercise generator, or I can just add some more items on top of this existing exercise. So when I press the exercise generator button on the bottom of the screen, I'm asked to choose a target library card. So I'm going to use the red apple, and I'm going to drop it there. And then the prompt now is on the left hand side, and I'm going to give this a prompt, say touch the red apple. The distractor library, where do you want to choose your distractors from? It can be all the libraries or one specific library. I'm going to pull it from beverages. How many distractor cards do you want per exercise? I'm going to slide that across and say 3. And how many exercises do you want to create? And I want to create 4 exercises there as well. So now when I click the generate button, you can see that exercise 3, 4, 5, and 6 have all been created using the exercise generator without me having to create a prompt or choose the images. So there's many different ways that you can create custom instruction using the exercise generator or using the individual exercise generation by doing it manually.